Ladybug is waterproof? Yeah, so they're like an umbrella. Okay, are you ready? Yeah, let's go. So first, we are going to make an arc, okay? Your turn. Cool. Now we are going to make a smaller curve, okay? Over here. Now we're going to make a smaller curve over here. Got it? Let's do that to the other side. Alright, and now we're going to make a medium curve in between them, okay? Good job! Now let's add the handle of the umbrella. We're going to make 2 straight lines. Cool! And now we're going to close it off. Alright. Now let's make a J shape, okay? So watch this. Got it? Alright. Now let's make another J shape, okay? And let's close that off. Okay, now at the very top of the umbrella, we're going to make a small curve. Got it? Okay, now let's make a curve from here to here, okay? Watch this. And another one on the other side. Looking good! Now let's add eyes and mouth. I'm gonna add 2 smaller circles inside the eyes as the highlights, okay? And I'm going to color that in. Alright, now let's add a smile. And I'm also going to add eyelashes, okay? Looking super cute! Alright, let's add antenna to the top, okay? So we're going to make a spiral line. Yep, just like that. And on the other side. Cool! Now these ladybugs need some spots. Let's make some circles here, there, and everywhere, okay? I'm gonna make one over here. You can also color that in immediately, okay? In black. I'm gonna make another one. I'm going to make another one over here. And over here. And over here. So yeah, you can just add as many spots as you like, okay? That's it! Wasn't that easy? All that's left to do is just to color it. Let's go! Wow, that ladybug umbrella looks so cute! Thank you so much for joining me today. That was so much fun. Did you have fun? Yeah? Don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can draw again together. Well, I hope all of you will have a great day, and I hope to see you on the next video, okay? And keep on smiling, keep on drawing. Love you, bye!